It's March at Dollar Tree and there's so many new items out, I can't wait to show you. It's March, which means there are aisles and aisles of Easter stuff. Let me show you some of my favorites. Each year there's so many new Easter baskets to choose from. I really like the look of these larger Easter baskets and they come in 3 colors. These are the Pottery Barn dupe baskets they have out again this year. They have a cute little bunny hand soap. They also have this one, but I think I like the bunny better. How adorable are these fabric gift bags and these little carrot ones? The variety of Easter eggs this year is over the top. This is the time of year to pick up all of your planters and make sure you have them for spring. Now I am noticing some new ones. This one I feel like is a new one. I'm gonna be picking this one up for a DIY. I think they had these hanging planters last year, but they're back again in several colors. I also feel like these longer planters are great to have. Next to the planters, all the gardening stuff is out right now. Now I'm not seeing anything new, but a lot of these items I'll be looking for in like May and I can't find them. For example, the hanging planters, those are always hard to find. And these S hooks, those go really fast as well. And then any sort of plant hanger stakes, they come out this time of year. So if you're wanting them, I'd pick them up now. They have these cute little fabric carrots in 2 different colors. There's several different garland options from these egg garlands. There's also a carrot one. If you're looking for the giant eggs, they have them for $3. These reusable bags in these tulips, so cute. These are adorable. They come in different sizes. Look, oh my gosh, they have like a little snack size. Okay, I'm definitely getting these. You guys, I hope you can find them at your store. Mine are over in like the kitchen area on these little hang tags. I just spotted another Amazon dupe. Here are meal prep containers. You get a pack of 2. They have 3 different compartments on it, but these are great if you like to make meals ahead of time. I almost passed by this end cap because this has been here since January, but then I noticed this pattern. I think this one is new. It comes in this gray color. It also comes in a really pretty green. Make sure you check out these end caps, even if they've been around for a few months. You never know what you're gonna find at Dollar Tree. I just came around the corner and found a gray, more like almost muted blue color, but it has that fun floral pattern. I actually like this one better. I'm gonna get 3 of them. This is by far the best new item out at Dollar Tree for March. It is a collapsible basket. This is what it looks like when it's down, but to put it up, you just pull up on the top and then press the sides in, and then you have this really fun basket. So the most popular color has been the white, but it also comes in a blue color and this gray and black color. If you like the collapsible baskets, but you're needing a smaller size, they have this size. You can get that in the same colors. There's a black, blue, gray, and white. Do you guys remember the nautical rope baskets that they've had out now for a while? Well, I found this basket. I think it's just a cute one they have for spring. It's got all these different multi-colors in it, but these little baskets are great for little trinket trays, or you can put them out in a grouping of 3. How cute are these little translucent jars? They come in 4 different colors. I'm over here in the Crafter Square, and every time I'm in this section, there are new items, especially new wood items. This is a new wood sign. I'm gonna be picking this up to DIY. It also comes in a circle version. Now, usually down here on the bottom shelf is where they have all the different wood cutout pieces. These are so great to craft with, but they always put out new ones. Like this one, I believe is a new one, but then they have all different shapes and sizes you can use for your crafts. We also noticed these new plush toys for $5. There's a hamburger, a cute little cupcake, and French fries. If you're having a spring get-together, they have the most adorable party supplies back here, starting with these plates. Now, these are actually a harder plastic, but look how adorable they are. They look like flowers and come in 3 colors. I also noticed these napkins. The checkered print is really popular right now, and we found this tulip garland. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. Don't forget the party supply section when you're looking for DIY items like this icing comb set. This is gonna be perfect to create fluted texture on my vase. The party supply section also has great organization. Like, this is an awesome item to put in your drawer to get organized. I just spotted this tape cutter. Now, this looks very interesting. It says it works with duct tape, and you can put it on your duct tape and it's supposed to cut any tape. I'm also assuming that it helps to kind of keep your tape pulled up. These are so hard to find, but they make such great trash cans. They fit in your cup holder. You just put an item in there, and to empty it, you just have to like pull this off and dump it in your trash can. New item alert, this is a dual-ended facial mask applicator. So if you're putting on anything on your face, or if you have like a lip scrub, you can use one of these. I have an Amazon dupe alert. This is a toothbrush protector that pops open and shut. They sell these on Amazon in a 2-pack. You can get them for $1.25. Dollar Tree has a Lego flower dupe out. You can get 4 different options for just $1.25. Dollar Tree has a new line of spring party supplies in this really fun coral and green color. They also have this really great funfetti look. Look at this cute little picture. We are finding all the Amazon dupes. These little squishy beanies are only $1.25. So much more on Amazon. Over in the Dollar Tree Plus section, they've had these stools out now, but I just found a new one. This one has a faux wood top. Now, it's not real wood, but it looks like wood. So if you're not liking these metal stools and want something a little bit more substantial, try this one out. But if you're wanting the regular plant stools, they have them in these different colors at my store. Right now they have black, white, gray, and blue. If you're looking for larger planters, this one's plastic, but it's self-watering and $5, and it's a pretty good size. All right, what do we think of chocolate scented bunnies? Do we think they would smell like chocolate? They are pretty cute. This looks very similar to a welcome mat that you would pick up at IKEA, but it's only $5. I'm giving away all of these items on my new Instagram page and Facebook group, Liz Fenwick Deals. If you love knowing what's on daily deal for the day on Amazon or things that are on sale on other sites, you definitely want to be following me. I'm going to put a link in the description box to my Facebook group, Liz Fenwick Deals, and the Instagram page. All you have to do is go follow me there and enter to win the giveaway. And make sure you watch out for scammers. I will send you an email if you win, and I will never ask you for money. In the Dollar Tree Plus section, you can pick up name brand candy. There's tons of fun Easter candy and toys. Dollar Tree has out a new line of coconut water. The flavors are passion fruit juice, mango juice, and pineapple juice. We always ask the employees here at Dollar Tree what their favorite products are, and we were recommended to get this chicken curry ramen. She said it was really good, so we're gonna pick it up and try it out. If you're on the hunt for Easter candy, there's so many fun options right now. Let me know down in the comments which of these items you're gonna be picking up the next time you shop at Dollar Tree, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.